What is up, guys? It is freaking 48 hours later or so since I started the download. Over the Wi-Fi, it just wasn't working. I've determined that my router is bad, so I have a new one coming tomorrow. However, we are on the one wired connection in this apartment. We are getting it downloaded right now. As you can see, 79.2% of the way. So we'll finally be playing Forza Horizon 4 in just a few minutes, and I am so excited. What is up, guys? The day has finally come upon us. We are able to play Forza Horizon 4, finally. The game has been out since the 28th. It is now 8:30 p.m. on the 30th. And it has been just really annoying trying to get the Wi-Fi set up. As I said earlier, it was a bad router. Still haven't gotten the router, but we got to a LAN port so we could download it directly to my Xbox from a wired connection. So here we go, starting Forza Horizon 4 for the first time. And I haven't seen this game at all. I haven't watched any videos, haven't played the demo. I only saw the developer preview footage from E3. That's the only time I've seen this game, so this is going to be insane. Whew. Let's hope it works. Let's go. Here it is. Playground games. Skip. Just kidding, can't skip. Alright, that's the same. Microsoft Studios. Here we go, here's the intro. The Senna. I cannot wait for Shmee150 to get his Senna. Seeing that car go all out around the track is going to be crazy. Alright, A to start. Let's go. Syncing data. Alright, brightness. Fine, sure. No subtitles. I'm not colorblind. I like it a little brighter than it needs to be. So that should be fine. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Nicknames? Let's see if they have my name. Probably don't. It's always worth a shot. Callum. Cameron, but no Camden. No Cam. That's okay. General Juggernaut. Juggernaut, please turn right. Mr. President is popping out at me. We got Noodle, Munchkin, Muffler. Who would want to be called Muffler? What a terrible name. X. You, Your Majesty. Oh my goodness. Sasquatch. El Pollo Diablo. The Devil Chicken. Count Driftula. Nice. I don't think I'm good enough to have that one. A Broham. Oh gosh. Dark Lord. Dark Lord. Okay, I'm between Dark Lord, Drake. Making sure they don't have Cam or something that makes sense. Alright. Madam President, or Madam President, or Your Majesty. Heads, Your Majesty. Tails, Mr. President. We are Tails, Mr. President. Let's go.
Probably, yeah. Honestly, best edition. It's trees.
Your destination.
Best upgrade by far. The trees. Who needs seasons? Just fix the broken trees.
Over there will get you set up with some new tires. Come and see me after the race if you need anything else.
Oh, these rally cars are so cool.
I heard about the stunts you pulled for Joel. You know how to drive, don't you? Sorry, I'm Alex. I run dirt racing for the festival. Speaking of which, you'll need a car that can handle the dirt.
I'm telling you, with this like emphasis on dirt racing and grip racing, like big emphasis on dirt racing.
Yes,
they're going to put Goodwood. Goodwood is going to be one of the DLCs for sure. Ooh, Escort RS. Wow, 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 wow. I just want to hop in a race though. I just want to start.
Race coming right up. You go and enjoy yourself out there.
What was that? You've got to be kidding. We're restarting. I can't. I was just driving straight, about to catch him. Boo! I'm way too aggressive in rally events, but it's so much fun. Oh yes, what a turn. Oh man, that's okay. Doing much better this race though. I'll take it. Oh, no. Okay. Alright, we're good. That was terrible. Let's hope we just don't fling off the side of the map again. There we go. Finally got a first place finish though.
First race in the bag. How do you feel? Dirty? Brilliant.
There's that VIP bonus.
I think you could go far in my dirt racing series. Perform like that again and you might just make it into round 2. Looks like you've nearly qualified for the autumn season. And remember, the more driving you do, the more you'll build your influence.
We'll do that later.
Hey, Mr. President. Fancy
Ooh,
winning
my first
prize?
wheel spin.
Here, have a wheel spin.
Huh, is it not done up?
Hey, I'm hearing good things about you. Oh,
Oh
sorry.
well. I think that's enough for this episode. Really, it's a fun game so far. I've only done the first couple intro races. Hopefully we can get to where we can buy some cars. I think we can buy some now, actually. Don't know if we have to get to that Horizon Autumn thing. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.